Hey, this is Francis from Technific.com, and today I have an unboxing of the Apple wireless keyboard. Now, this keyboard cost 110 Australian dollars, and the reason why I bought it was because I use my laptop as a sort of desktop at home, and I needed a keyboard, so when I put it in sleep mode and connected up to my big 20-inch monitor screen, I could type something, and I think this will do the job really well. Now, why Apple? Because Apple has special function keys, and they also have a, I think it's the Apple command key, which Windows instead uses control. So it's hard to use a Windows keyboard instead of an Apple keyboard on the Apple I. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, I've just got it from AT&T. They shipped it overnight. It's pretty good. They do it pretty fast, which is great. And so just open this here. Oh god, this is so tight. There you go. That's the shipping order thing. And here's the box which it's come in. Obviously it's not a nice box by no means. And just wait a sec, I'll just get my scissors so we can cut it open. So here we go. Here's my scissors. Just cut that plastic there. Now, I'm just wondering if this actually comes in a decent box. Doesn't look like it's any good at the moment. Just a plastic brown paper box, which would be very disappointing because I always know Apple has one of the best opening experiences. We all know that very well. Oh, no, I was wrong. Here it is. So there you go. There it is, and it opens up like that. So you just open it up like this, and there you go. There's your keyboard. So that's your Apple wireless keyboard. Now if we just take a look around the box, bit of information over there. Oh, that's it, the Apple logo. There you go, wireless keyboard. Whoops, that's upside down. There's another picture of it, and another Apple logo. So, it's a very nice box, as we'd expect from Apple. We'd expect no less. So just go ahead and get the scissors here. I'll just make a little slit there. Take the shrink wrap off. So I'm really happy to get this keyboard because I think it'll be great. Now, most people don't realize that this keyboard isn't like a full desktop keyboard. Instead, Apple have gone with a laptop sort of design keyboard, and the reason is because simply it's easier to put on the lap. And here it is. There, if you see me open it, here I'll do another quick preview again. There you go. There's the keyboard. Take that out, and that is a really sturdy keyboard. The keys, let me feel how the keys are. It's hard to feel through plastic, but they're pretty good. They're pretty solid keys. Just put that down there to the side. What else have we got in the box? Well, could just push the box lid back a bit more. There you go. We have a bit of a manual, I think, here, or what's it say? For wireless keyboard, I don't know what's in there. Probably some drivers or something like that. Anyway, just put that aside back in the box. And what's this here? I believe it's battery. So let me just open it up. Ah, good. They put in batteries. And yes, these are Energizer Max lithium batteries. They're the red type, and that's really good. It's great of Apple to put those in because God, you need batteries for this device. Apparently, it's got about 6 months before you got to change the batteries, and this device takes 3 batteries. So I'll just go ahead and open the keyboard. So as you can see, let me just give you a little look. That's the front. Now it's like the laptop keyboard. As you can see, they've got these I think recessed or smaller, because usually it'd be about that big. And then on the side, you can see how thin it is. The batteries go in there, right there. And what have you got on the back? Pretty sturdy looking, and it feels really thick and sturdy, and it's got a bit of rubber up here too. It's top right hand corner, makes it even sturdier. And I believe this doesn't light up, unlike the Apple keyboards which do light up. This one doesn't, which I was really disappointed to hear about, but nevertheless it is thin. I mean, you take a look at how thin that is, and if I take my iPhone out, just give me a sec here to get my iPhone, wherever I did put my iPhone. Oh, here it is. There's your nice 3G iPhone. You compare its thickness, it is thick, and I mean this thing is really thick, and it's not that much bigger either. I mean, you look at that, about 4 or 5 iPhones across, that's the keyboard. So it really isn't a full-size keyboard like you'd expect with a desktop. And I told you, Apple went with this because it's designed to be put on the lap. Now I'll just go ahead and take off this plastic, so... that sounded really bad. And there you go. It is beautiful. It is really something. Now, you can see I was wiping that off because I got fingerprints already on it. So this thing's probably a fingerprint magnet. I can see them on the bottom already. Yep. Same old Apple. Anyway, I'm just going to take this thing off the end here. Oh, plastic stuff. And I've got one on the other end. Some plastic nodule on the end. Oh, God, it's on my fingers. And, yeah, that's it. Now, I wonder how you get the batteries in here. I'm not sure. Oh, that's the power button on the end there. And it's got a lot of sticky stuff on. I gotta wipe that off. Oh, it's a bit out of focus on the camera. And let me just try. It's sturdy. This thing is really nice to use, and it's really different compared to the old ones. If you know the old ones, the old keyboards where they had that sort of lift, they were terrible. Anyway, I'm going to figure out how to use it. And luckily for me, I've got in here some AAA batteries. No, AA batteries, but I got 3 of them. And they're Energizer. Great stuff. Great of Apple put them in. And I've got my own little manual to learn how to use it. So that's the Apple Wireless Keyboard from... And this is the unboxing of it, I should mention that first, from Technific.com. Anyway, this is Francis, and I hope you enjoyed it. See ya!